Hello, welcome to the Blockchain Buyer channel. I'm going to go over how to create a Coinbase account. Quick overview, hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, by the way, and I appreciate you for watching. Getting started, you want to invest, trade, store supported cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, and you'll need to do this: be at least 18 years old, have a government issued photo ID, a computer or smartphone connected to the internet. I suggest a smartphone, a phone number, and the latest version of your browser. And I'm kind of skipping over through it because you're gonna need to read this while you go along, but I wanted to give you an overview. So first thing you want to do is create your account, and then follow these 5 steps. Then verify your email. It's only 3 steps into verifying. Very easy to do. Then you want to verify your phone number. You know your phone number. Just enter it and verify it. Number 4, add your personal information, your first name, last name, date of birth, all that kind of stuff. And 2, follow the instructions there, including your social security number. 5, verify your identity. And then 6, create a payment method. How are you going to pay for your crypto? That's all you need to do to get started. So don't waste any time. Buy some crypto. And I'll see you on the next one.